Did you know that gooseberries are packed with amazing health benefits? These small, tart berries are a powerhouse of nutrition that can boost your overall well-being. So let's dive into the incredible health benefits of gooseberries. First, gooseberries are a great source of vitamin C. Just a handful of these berries can provide you with your daily recommended intake of this essential vitamin. Vitamin C is known to boost your immune system and protect against common illnesses like the flu and colds. It also helps promote healthy skin and collagen production. But that's not all. Gooseberries are also rich in antioxidants. These powerful compounds help fight against free radicals that can damage your cells and contribute to chronic diseases. Antioxidants have been linked to reducing the risk of heart disease, cancer, and age-related macular degeneration. Gooseberries are also a good source of dietary fiber. Fiber is important for maintaining a healthy digestive system and preventing constipation. It also helps regulate blood sugar levels and can aid in weight management. Additionally, gooseberries contain a variety of vitamins and minerals, including potassium, copper, and manganese. Potassium is essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels, while copper and manganese play a role in energy production and bone health. Now that you know about the amazing health benefits of gooseberries, why not incorporate them into your diet? You can enjoy them fresh, add them to salads, smoothies, or even make delicious jams and desserts. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to grab some gooseberries and give your health a boost. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it informative, please subscribe to our channel for more health tips and nutrition advice. See you next time.